Discuss MCQs on epidemiology of tobacco use in India and the types of tobacco products. So the first question is, it has been estimated that between 2005 and 2030, dash many people across the globe will die from tobacco related disease if immediate steps are not taken to curb the epidemic. So how many people? It has been estimated that 175 million people will die from tobacco related disease between 2005 and 2030 if immediate steps are not taken to stop this epidemic. Then fill in the blanks. First is dash variety of tobacco grew wildly. Which variety of tobacco grew wildly? It was Nicotiana rustica. And dash variety of tobacco was grown by Native Americans. It was Nicotiana tabacum. And the next question is, who introduced tobacco cultivation in India? So it was introduced by Portuguese in 1605. Initially it was grown in two districts of Gujarat, that is Kaira and Mehsana, and later it spread to other parts of the country. Also another point, wild tobacco, it was used by shamans for religious and spiritual purposes. Now, what is the content of nicotine in wild tobacco? How much amount of nicotine is there in wild tobacco? So first of all, remember the nicotine content is higher in wild tobacco as compared to the cultivated tobacco. And how much higher? It is 3 to 9 times higher. So this wild tobacco contains nicotine up to 9%, while the cultivated tobacco, it contains about 1 to 3% of the nicotine content. Next question is, dash is the second largest consumer of tobacco globally and accounts for approximately 1/6 of the world's tobacco related deaths. So which country is the largest consumer of tobacco globally? It is India. Next question is, which of the following is not a smoke form of tobacco? Which is not a smoking form, okay? So bidi, hidakpu, chillum and cigarette are the options. So of these, we know bidi is a smoking form of tobacco. Chillum, it is a smoking form of tobacco. And cigarette is also a smoking form of tobacco. So the answer here is hidakpu. Other smoke forms of tobacco are chutta, chirur, hookah, hookli, dhumti, critics and sticks.